Alright, we have a 4.5 foot long table in our dining room, and we don't have a center for it. Originally it had one, but the table was bowed and it was sort of an antique table we bought. So my wife wanted an extension for this table. So this is what I did. This is what the table looks like. Actually, it's black with a mirrored inserts into it. And as you can see, these are the sides of the table. So the side look. Show you that to see how I extended the extension. She wanted another almost 2 foot extension for this table. There's the extension I made. 1/2 inch plywood with just 3/4 inch board, 2 along the side. A couple of little pieces added on for the grooving in the side of the table. And on each side 2 bolts. And I'll show you how this looks. You tape me. Back up or whatever. Let me see. Alright. There this goes on each side. And then really easier with 2 people doing it. And like I say, put the 2 bolts just through the side with the nuts on. Add an extension. It won't go anywhere. It's nice and strong. And that's the extension. Here. Just 2 bolts to the side. And like I say, extension sticks out, plenty of room. Actually, I could even make an extension for the other end so that the table now measures 6.5 foot. Now, as far as that goes, like I say, I could even made another one of these boards for the other side to extend this out to an 8-foot table. Easy enough. And like I say, she has a big tablecloth she puts over the top of it. And that's how I made the extension. Isn't it hard? Like I say, the top with 2 boards along the side. I'll show you a little bit more of the construction of it. Yeah, better light here. You can just see 1/2 inch piece of plywood, 3/4 inch board along the side. Because there's some of the grooving, I had to put some little 1/16 strips along the side just to groove it in. Don't even need those so much. I just made it a little easier. The bolts actually hold it in place. And that's the table extension.